Subscribe to Niger's Craziest. Press the bell icon and never miss another video update.
Niger's Craziest does not add review of any political parties, individuals, or religious group. This show is just for comedy purposes only. It might contain scenes with strong languages, strong satirical humor, links to a relative you might know, and references some may find offensive. If that kind of thing will offend you, Biko, close your browser now and get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Because that's what we did.
Comedians are absolutely insane.
Nibo.
Go back to know every soundboard they are watching. Go back to know everyone.
So when did afternoon turn to go back to noon?
You know the problem you have is you don't read your Bible, you don't read your dictionary to understand some things of the English. So, that's the problem.
Wait, we have Oxford Dictionary here. Open this thing and show me where it said go back to noon.
You open to chapter 18 verse 4.
Chapter inside dictionary.
Yes, he did there. He don't even know how to open ordinary dictionary. Don't know. He go back to noon. That I say it. That's how pronunciation see. Or pronunciation. That's how you
introduce the.
So you're welcome to another FX code. Join me now.
FX code.
Let's say jamtainously. Jamtainously.
Okay.
You don't understand that one.
It's okay.
Okay.
You are
welcome to another FX code. Thank you. This FX code you are about to watch. It's all about what? I don't know.
Bullshit.
Hey, see, you know that during the lockdown and the process of going to prison, coming back, there's no opportunity to see money. No chance to to collect. So this man have now gathered sense. He has reason. What can I do to inherit everything I have lost? I want to cash out
at once.
It's all about the crossover. They want to cross over. I don't understand why you need to meet a pastor to cross over.
You know the problem? You crossed over from 2019 in this church to 2020. He told you that 2020 will be fantastic. What happened? Before we talk, let them watch
this video.
Bushiri's advert for crossover night.
Yes.
This is a great announcement to announce to all of you. I'd like to announce to you that with God's direction, we'll be having a crossover 2020 to 2021 in the Bingo Stadium in Lilongwe. So we'll be having Miracle Night crossover 2020 to 2021. Remember, what God did in those days, He can do it in our days. That night, God shall do something in your life that you never thought. Loves you and shalom.
Oh, you are back. Now, watch all the South Africans all over the world and in South Africa packing their bags to travel to Lilongwe to go and attend this.
And some are in US.
All over the world now. All over the world. Let watch the series of videos.
Greetings, sons and daughters of Major One. This is Minister Elias here, ECG Zanini Brand, South Africa. As you see me, I am ready to go to Malawi. I am ready to go and cross with the prophet. Luena, I believe that you are ready. Ariya Malawi.
My name is Peter. I'm here at the Department of Home Affairs. I'm coming for my passport. I'm excited to go to Malawi, and this is the queue. I'm number 5 in the queue, the number of grace. It will be my first time to go to Malawi, and I cannot afford to cross over without my prophet. Amen. And of course, I've been learning few Malawian language. Tibuera, Malawi, January, Bingo Stadium, Prophet Bushiri, Muribanji, Murini, Kainu. I'm going to go there a week earlier to make sure that I visit places. I catch a glimpse of how my father started his ministry from early childhood and visit the first church in Malawi. I hope to see you there. I can recognize few sons and daughters on the queue here. Everybody is excited. They are going there because we recognize one another with wristbands and of course with our t-shirts and everything. Daddy, we are coming there.
This is your passport, and we are going to Malawi. Viru Stadium, crossover. Miracle night.
Hey. My name is Ajag Michael, all the way from Kansas City, United States of America. Going to visit my spiritual parents for crossover night of miracle, my papa said. Do you know who he is? My spiritual father? Major one. He said there is a night going to be a blessing night, and it is a night of miracle. Please join us. I'm going 2 days early to just see where my spiritual parents born and raised and where he started his church. I'm glad to be in Malawi the first time. I am expecting nothing but blessing. I take it by force, by thunder. Where is devil? I'm not seeing devil. Hey, devil, where are you? Hey, hello. In our family, we don't stress. We relax. Doesn't matter. Here we come, Malawi. I'm coming. Here is my passport. Here is my ticket. Hey, it's done. I'm coming. Thank you. See you there, Malawi.
Oh, you are back.
You see that in this life, if they sell sense, some people will say they don't have money to buy. Sometimes, if they give them for free, they will say their leg they pain them, they cannot go there to collect. Which day people will absence.
My people,
I don't know.
So, first of all, this man went to carry a whole stadium in Malawi, in Lilongwe. This is to tell you that the government will never allow this man come back to South Africa because this man will generate so much money for them. Hotels will be fully booked.
Big time.
Everything, food in that stadium. Which time the Malawi hold football match last? That place is a poverty place.
Malawi people.
Okay, Malawi. Which time did Malawi hold football match last? This Bushiri will boost Malawi economy. Now you have people carrying bag. They want to go and see this man. So all the things we have been saying, all the things that happened, he jumped bail. You still believe that this man is a true man of God.
Even when you rape, they still be.
All the rape, all the allegation, everything. You still want to travel to go and meet this man.
You know the thing is this man not be ordinary somebody. He don't waka.
I think that Ghana waka.
This man enter the highest place where you can get the highest power. You know one thing about them, they have done that strong. They collected that power to the extent that even when they are doing evil things, it's like they are doing good things.
And the evil will turn to good.
So they have to do these evil things continuously so that they can always be in the scene. Where
look at South Africans, they are queuing up. So somebody came to your country, stole. Now he has gone to Malawi. You are still carrying the money from South Africa to go and give him in Malawi.
You see why South Africa will be the land where every fake pastors will go to inherit everything they want to get in their life. South Africa is a base. I don't know it's a base or it's a bath. It's a place where you need to go and cash out. So if you are ready, if you need the money,
cash out
line be South Africa now. So now,
you know what I'm starting to think? I'm starting to think the only sensible South Africans are our subscribers.
I swear we lie. That is
Only our subscribers are the only sensible South Africans. I'm starting to think that one.
The rest they no get am. The rest they no.
Hey!
So now, just think about it. Do you know thousands of people that will fill that stadium? Do you know how many times they will do offering? Do you know how many people that will see Papa in one-on-one?
One-on-one meeting with Papa.
Do you know
Papa will tell them that they chase me. Now is a matter. Papa is a matter now.
Hey.
Do you know what a matter is?
Yes.
What is a matter?
A matter is anything that have power, that strong, that occupies face. Occupies face is very strong way. He have he fat, he big. He can occupy any space at any time.
Shut up. It's me that made mistake to ask you, because I don't know how, when you brought chemistry into this thing. A matter is somebody that somehow people have turned into a legend.
Hey!
People have turned into a demigod.
Hey! See matter, why it matter the matter of matter, yes. See somebody no matter. So now they watch the ball. If we don't matter, you want to talk about. Monta is a player, he playing for Manchester United. Manchester don't matter, no sabi play any something. I want on to legend. Now your daddy not give on legend. How many goal scorer he go? How many assistants is assistants? He no do anything. They can't they go put him matter. Matter wey no sabi play ball say na legend.
Sure, it's okay. It's too early. For this nonsense.
So next one, don't bring something you don't know to this table. I don't like it. What you don't know, don't bring.
It's okay.
I explain it to you. You are telling me now.
Hey, it's okay. Thank you. I have heard your explanation. Thank you. Matter is footballer, idiot. So
now back to the matter before you construction me. Now, calculation how many people will come. This is I don't know. You shouldn't call that day a crossover. It should be called a cash over.
Cash over
night, not a crossover. Now you are not crossing anything. Which river? You don't come out from your country. You don't cross already. Did the pastor follow you to cross? Now you want to cross. I don't know where. Okay, you want them to crucify you like
you say their blessings is God will bless. The same thing he said in 2019 that 2020 killed people. Now he's starting again in 2020 so that 2021 can finish them.
He said their blessing is their blessing hang for the crossover. Say if you don't call the crossover, you don't get a blessing. Now so God will punish some people, and God will still punish.
God will punish you.
I swear, we not go miss am.
My people, what do you think Bushiri deserves for this nonsense? Is it Bushiri that even deserves something? What do you think the ECG members and every other person traveling to Malawi for this crossover deserve? What do they deserve? Do they deserve hammer on the head? Do they deserve to be flogged naked? Or they deserve slap?
Put the reset their memory bus.
Okay, we need to put the reset button.
Reset.
So they need to reset so that they press the button. Their brain will reset. Thank you. Bushiri, cash out. Nothing to you. Chop the money. It doesn't matter. We are not here to spoil your business. We are encouraging you. If they don't want to have sense, chop their money.
So you know say that thing we do. It's a collaboration with the government.
Yes, now we said it before. Now
that's all.
It's a collaboration. Don't forget, for a token fee, you can have your product displayed on our table like this. And thank you for watching this episode. We will see you on the next episode. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at LaughMayor, and follow him on Instagram at
John Joshua Comedian,
and follow us on all our social media handle at Niger's Craziest. Thank you. We'll see you on the next episode.
God bless.